very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Viennese Waltz practice routine number 7. This was taught in the online class on the 13th of February 2023, so please head over to the website www.livetodance.eu and look on the video library if you would like to see the entire class. Now, I'm going to make a start by facing the front, okay? Now, I'm going to start with my right foot. I did a step and a point. I then went with a little grapevine in front, and then I did a step and a ronde. Let's look at the timing for that section. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to repeat the same thing but the opposite side. So I go step, point. This time the grapevine is going to cross behind, backwards, and then I will step in front, I will step behind and ronde to the back. So as a kind of left to right switch over and a back to front switch over. Let's do those two sections together. Step, point, grapevine, step, ronde. Step, point, grapevine, step, ronde. 2 back Botafogos, back, back. Now from here I gave everyone 3 options in the class. This is 2 bars. Option A was a forwards and back straight basic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No turning, nice and simple. Second option was a lock step. Forwards and a little 3-step turn back. Left, right, left. And option 3 was a turn to the right followed by a turn to the left. Okay, so you can pick your option out of those 3 bars. Those 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're spotting if you're turning. That was the options for that middle section. Section 3 is a little explosion to the right, explosion to the left, and then 4 bars of basics, okay? I was going reverse turn back and forwards. Don't forget the little cross, we're on Viennese Waltz, and there just for 4 bars, okay? So let's do the whole thing from the beginning. I will do option 3, which is the right turn and the left turn. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Explosion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back. Forwards, back, forwards. Like I said, very short routine, it's only a little short summary recap. So if you would like to look at the full videos, head on over to the video library. And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.